Imagine a scene of a chaotic office, people rushing around, papers flying everywhere. A voiceover asks, "Ever felt overwhelmed by work, projects, and deadlines?" Cut to a serene scene of a well-organized workspace. Voiceover continues, "There's a tool out there that promises to streamline your workflow and bring order to the chaos. It's called Wrike." But here's the question. Is Wrike a Russian company? Visuals of Russian landmarks, people, and culture. Voiceover, Russia, a vast country with a rich history. It's also home to many tech companies. But is Wrike one of them? Let's dive into the details. Wrike's history. Visuals of Wrike's company logo, offices, and team members. Voiceover. Wrike was founded in 2006 in San Francisco, California. That's right, the heart of Silicon Valley. While the company's founders may have had Russian roots, Wrike's origins and operations are firmly rooted in the United States. Wrike's global reach. Visuals of Wrike's global offices and customer testimonials. Voiceover. Over the years, Wrike has expanded its reach to serve customers worldwide. With offices in various countries, including the United States, Europe, and Asia, Wrike has become a truly international company. It's a testament to the tool's versatility and effectiveness in managing projects across different cultures and time zones. Addressing the misconception. Visuals of a person searching online for, "Is Wrike a Russian company?" Voiceover. So, why might there be a misconception that Wrike is a Russian company? It could be due to the founders' backgrounds or perhaps the tool's popularity in certain regions. However, it's important to clarify that Wrike is primarily an American company with global operations. Wrike's features and benefits. Visuals of Wrike's interface, features, and user testimonials. Voiceover. Now that we've cleared up the confusion, let's explore what makes Wrike such a popular project management tool. From task management and collaboration to reporting and automation, Wrike offers a comprehensive suite of features to help teams stay organized and productive. The future of Wrike. Visuals of Wrike's future plans and goals. Voiceover. As Wrike continues to grow and evolve, it's clear that its focus remains on providing innovative solutions for project management. With a global customer base and a commitment to excellence, Wrike is well-positioned to shape the future of work. Visuals of a well-organized workspace and a satisfied team. Voiceover. So, is Wrike a Russian company? No, it's primarily an American company with a global presence. Wrike's origins, operations, and commitment to innovation make it a trusted choice for businesses worldwide. By understanding the truth about Wrike, you can confidently explore how this tool can help your team achieve its goals. End screen with a strong call to action, such as, "Try Wrike for free today." With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.